Hey there, today we have this 15-in-1 grooming kit that was sent over to me from the brand. So let's take a look at it and I'll show you one of the neat features that this has I haven't seen on others. So here are all the pieces you're gonna get. You're gonna get the main trimming machine itself along with multiple trimmers for it. You're gonna get the nose and ear trimmer. You're gonna get the foil shaver, multiple guards, a brush to clean it, oil for lubrication, a recharging, and you're also going to get this guard, and it is adjustable, so it will push the teeth back and forth depending on where you set it. For taking one of the trimmers off, it simply pops up. I just use my thumb and then we're off, ready to go. And then you can pop on your other one like so. To put on the guards, I'm just going to slip the guard over the top there, and then it will snap in place. And your sizes are listed right here on the edge. It's a single button. You turn it on. It clearly shows the amount of battery life left, and this will run up to 90 minutes on a full charge. So I've used this a few times now. I've used it on my head to take care of the thicker hair before shaving it down to baldness. I also had my wife use it on the back of my neck, and it worked really well for that. And finally, I did use that nose hair trimmer, and it was nice and easy to use. It's nice to swap the head on and off to the other trimmer. It's easy to do that way. Now, I like that this has a good weight to it because it's easy to use. It's a nice sturdy tool and it has a nice grip to it. It also has a lock feature on it, which is nice because if I was traveling with this, of course, I wouldn't want it turning on. So if you actually push the power button and hold it down for 3 seconds, you'll get this flashing lock button, which it won't let it turn on, which is a very good thing if it's sitting in my shave kit. And to turn that off, I just need to hold it for another 3 seconds and it will release that lock, and then you can turn on the razor again. I think this is a great tool to keep around for shaving my neck, taking care of nose hairs, cutting my hair down a little shorter, even sideburns and all that stuff. Plenty of guard options if you're using any of those. It even comes with its own oil, of course, to keep everything lubricated and moving nicely, and a brush to keep everything clean. If you are looking for a new trimmer to add to your routine, then I hope this video helps you decide on if this is a good product for you.